Hello! Welcome to the Registered Users area. Here you can easily view all the documents signed by your clients, keeping everything under control quickly and efficiently. In the Filter section, you can use the search fields to find a specific user or the list of all users who have signed a specific document. Simply enter the client's name, email, or the document name to quickly retrieve the information you need. In the User List section, you will find a complete list of all clients who have signed at least one document. For each client, by clicking on the light blue Edit icon, you can update their basic information. By clicking instead on the blue eye-shaped icon, you can get a full overview of the documents the client has signed and all those that have been sent to them. Under the Type field, you will see a small colored dot that, thanks to the legend, will immediately show you the type of document. A simple and quick way to understand what it is at a glance. At the top right, you'll find the orange button labeled Export Total to download an XLS file with the main data of all registered users. If you prefer a more specific list, you can use the filters and click Export Filtered List. This feature is ideal for those who want to use the data for marketing campaigns by reaching out to clients to offer new services, deals, and promotions. This section is designed to simplify the monitoring and management of signatures, helping you keep everything under control. Good work, and thank you for using our software.